Hello, Krishna,
Royal.
Gundu, Krishna Babu. Poha with ketchup. Thankfully, no chai today. Good morning. Which vehicle to choose today to go? Good morning, people. What's up? What's happening? How's your day going? Welcome back to my channel. Finally saying this. Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What do you have for breakfast?
Today, chapati and omelette.
Hello, Mr. Gurucharan.
Chapati.
Satri always has a 1 year with him. Krishna is missing. Where is Bell? Deep sleep, Babu. Look at him. Say hello. Good morning. Look at him. Look at him. This is a guy who lives rent free. Cutie, good morning. Little bit of chicken, boiled, chapati, and this 1 hour gap, and then I have to walk. Getting ready for walk. Done with my mid morning, so I have to walk. Then do my work. Pretty much it for the day. Next, I have to plan for the ride in August. So I'll let you know where the plan is. I'm almost finalized. Just need to fix the date. If that is done, I'm sorted. Do one small short breakfast ride. Probably thinking it of this week or next week. Take this baby and go. This baby will be cursing me, you know. Take you out shortly. See this fellow. Where is he going? So what are you guys doing? How is your morning going or afternoon going? Time is 12:45. Around 1:45 I need to walk. Walk time. Always listen to some reviews of some bikes or cars and then walk. Walk, walk, walk. So roti, khichdi and sabji. Yama yum. Watching Omkara. Haven't watched it at all. Apparently an amazing going. Going really good. How's your evening going? Watching Mr. Jackpot Joe. Been a while. We have to catch up. 5 more vlogs to go. Got a little busy. Hello, Mr. Hero. Just came to park my bike. Thought I'll just show you the terrace of my flat. Not my flat where I don't stay, but I have a flat here. So I thought I'll just take you to the terrace and show you. See, how's your evening? Nice weather outside. Hello guys, good evening. Just rained a little bit. Wow, whole new world out here. Wow, there is so many high rises in Bangalore these days. Some infected pigeon, stay away. And it's like another society, swimming pool and all that. Wow, that side is BTM layout, second stage. Wow, there's nobody on the terrace. So cool. Wow, look at the clouds. Whole new world out here, it feels like. Beautiful. Bangalore at its pristine best. We've done something very nice, man. It's been ages I've come here. Another view. That's my house where I actually stay. If you can see there, that's my house. It's covered by this building. Otherwise, look at the weather. It looks so mad. It looks these clouds. It's gonna pour for sure. Another few, it's a matter of few minutes. It's gonna pour. It's the other side of the one. That side is again nothing much. This side is again colony. And this is one more side. Looks like a forest, but it is not. It's like covered with huge trees. All this damn nice. That is our beloved PTM layout. Station and Raj construction. Damn nice. Beautiful. Just love the clouds, man. It looks next level. Hello. Whole day just finished off my work. Had a small argument with dad. As usual happens when it comes to work. Otherwise all fine. Just chilling on the terrace. Weather is amazing. So watched, finished work, watched Omkara. Still watching it. It's big pass over TT, time pass. So yeah, it's very lazy day. Finished my walk of an hour with around 8 kilometers in 58 minutes. And yeah, right, good on the fitness part. Had good food, decent food. So yeah, just waiting for evening to have nothing to do. Haven't gone out also today. This whole day house arrest, you can say, in a good way. Should be an amazing weather to ride in. We always, when we used to ride, we see these clouds. We used to be like, oh man, it's gonna pour. So you don't try and beat the cloud. Each time you try and beat the cloud, we used to be like, yes, it's a victory. But most of the time we used to get stuck. This is massive, man. This is massive. It's beautiful. You can see the sunset already there. These cutie birds going away. Damn nice. So how did you guys like the video that I uploaded yesterday? Both Sirsi, all 4 days in one. So I'll be uploading one such video every week. I hope you guys liked it. Got some nice views. Keep giving all the support possible. It will help me give you more better content and encourage us to do well. So yeah, thank you guys. So yeah guys, let me tell you about my experience when it comes to riding. I haven't told you, and most of you know it, but not much. Just that I have good amount of experience when it comes to riding. I just thought of sharing it with you. When it comes to riding, I have around totally with the Himalayan as well as the Classic, I have around 2 lakh plus kilometers on both included. So I've done a lot of South India rides as well as Goa ride, around a lakh plus in the Classic, on the Classic 500, because I used to go to work also on that. Oh yeah, I worked in IT for almost 3 years, and then post that, once I got the Himalayan, most of my riding memories are on the Himalayan. So I've done around 60,000 on the Himalayan, out of which everything is on the long rides. My first long ride was solo from Bangalore to Northeast and Bhutan, to which Mr. Abhijit and Praveen came till Vizag and dropped me, and they left. And then next in 2000, that was in 2017. In 2018, I went to Ladakh from Bangalore. So that time I did Bangalore, Kashmir, Ladakh, Kanyakumari. Came back to Bangalore, took my Classic, went to Kanyakumari and came back. So I've done K2K in 2018. And I've gone to all the RMs from 2014, Rider Mania, that happens in Goa. Then 2000 major rides I'm just talking about, just giving you a brief. 2019 I went to Spiti Valley through Nomadic Soul. That time Pali used to work there. So thanks to Pali for an amazing experience of Spiti Valley in snow. And then 21 I went to Rajasthan as I was a part of Beyond Tarmac. I was a lead. So from Bangalore to Rajasthan, finished entire Rajasthan and came back. Thanks to Pali. And then 2021 July August did the Spiti Valley as well as Ladakh 2 valley tour. Again, I was a lead in that. It was a part of Beyond Tarmac store. So post that 2022 I did my Spiti snow tour again. So yeah, again through Beyond Tarmac. So yeah, I have immense experience when it comes to this. I'd love to take you all to on these beautiful tours across India. So travel most of India. So just wishing and hoping that I can do more. And all thanks to all your support that I can do this, and I can take you along with me, share my experience and show you the beautiful beautiful things about travel, not only the destination, the entire journey that matters. So yeah, August May I have another ride planned, so I'll tell you the location. So come join me on my tours with MOBMC. I'll take you there, as well as if you guys want to ride just with me or travel with me, we can plan it anytime. So let me know, we all can have fun together, and I can show you most of the beautiful places where I can organize an amazing place for stay, ride, good food, everything. So the pricing is not the main thing here. The experience matters. Whoever wants to join can always join in. It's not that you need to have this skill, that skill. If you don't know how to ride a motorcycle, you can always come as the backup car. Whoever wants to ride can come riding. Whoever wants to come by car also can come by car. I know I've started MOBMC as a two-wheeler oriented company, but I think the whole motto here is Mad Over Bikes Motorcycle Club. It means that we don't bother about the bike, more about the rider. The same way, it's not about if you don't know how to ride or drive, you can always come and join and be a part of this beautiful journey. So let's unite in the name of travel and have the best experience we can. We have one life. Let's all have fun and lead it the right way. And travel, people, that's the best thing. Best part about travel is it's like it gives you a lifetime of memories, and you can what I have learned from travel is it tends to get your confidence super high, and you can face anything or anyone in life. It gives you that sort of confidence within you, and also opens every sort of every thing in you that you can face the world with ease. Gives you confidence as well as calms your nerves, calms you down. And I think vacation is a must for everybody who's working hard every day. Take a vacation sometime. Travel teaches you a lot of things. I've learned a lot from travel. Sorry if I've bored you. I just thought I'll share my experience because the weather was amazing. Thought we'll do some talking. So I thought I just share my experience. So travel, like I said, it's amazing to travel with friends and family. So you guys are most welcome to join me anytime. I will keep you posted. Please follow my Instagram handle as well as Facebook. It's there in my description box. You can always follow me, and I'll give you my number. You can contact me directly. So let's stay in touch, let's have fun. And I think I should go down before it starts raining. All right, hello guys, see you. Hope you had your evening coffee, chai or snacks, because I've stopped coffee now. I have to just stick to milk tea. Anyways, something better than nothing. Cheers guys. Wow, this side is So much better. This is the temple outside the apartment. Weather looks brilliant. This side it looks mad. That is, I think, DLF for House of Hiranandani. I think that is DLF. This is House of Hiranandani. And this is that Mantri Pinnacle tallest building, a residential place. I showed you that day. There's so many, man. I think this is the one. This is the tallest residential complex, Mantri Pinnacle. This is next to that called Wallmark. It's near front of Polimau Lake. It's gonna pour, it's gonna pound. Saw the weather predictions, it says it's gonna pour or pound like crazy. Cheers guys, enjoy the weather. This is the legend Arman Malik and Kritika and West Payal sitting there. Amazing. These guys are superb. All our support to you always. 3 egg whites and 1 whole egg, total 4. Yamayam. It's making scrambled. Having it with roti. Done with the choppings. Scrambled eggs, roti. Rechap.